Yeah. Hi guys. Shalom, shalom everyone. Welcome, welcome. We are right now in the church of Apostle Peter. Down to the home of Peter. Wow. It's really unbelievable. Oh guys. This is really incredible. It's his home base. Wow. Hi guys, shalom shalom and welcome to this wonderful and fascinating place here in Capernaum. It's really an extraordinary place. Beautiful, amazing.